Okay, polypala now.
Yep.
Yeah, poly full. I'm coming. Oh,
Okay.
he trinketed.
Oh, this fear.
I'm cycloned.
We'll win, man. Don't worry, we'll win.
Okay. Polypal.
He's full. I got the spurs.
Okay,
He's
Pala
running
left.
for his
No,
life.
Pala didn't leave. Where is he? Pala got disappeared from the map. You can come down.
Yep, I'm down. I got the spurs.
Man,
He died here.
Pala
He died.
disappeared. Pala got
Maybe
sunken
the
in
fear.
the map.
Maybe the fear.
Man, he is in the arena, but he just disappeared, you know? In fear he went again to...
He's here now.
I don't see him.
Yeah, the fear. The
yeah.
fear bug, man. Yeah. The fear bug.
Yeah, but he disappeared, seriously. He's under the map, I think. Yeah, he's under the map. Beautiful.
Welcome to Blizzard.
And we cannot kill him!
Yes. Okay. I don't know where he is now. Just don't leave, man. I will fucking not leave. I don't give a fuck.
Blizzard, beautiful game, seriously. Okay, yeah, he got teleported.
Okay. Yeah.